Hey everybody, welcome back to Code Responsive Website with Bootstrap 3. That was my radio voice. This video is called Coding the Thumbnails. And by thumbnails, I mean this section right here, these little featurettes that have some more course info with a little price tag up in the top here, some info, and a button to take the course or learn more. So we're going to code that HTML right now. It's super easy. Go to your HTML. Scroll down to the More Courses ID, the div with the class of row and the ID of more courses. In there, we're going to start by adding a div with the class of call-12 because we want all the content to be within a 12-column grid. We're going to utilize the grid in here. Add a level 3 heading. Learn more about web design. For your own websites, you can these can be whatever. I'm just shamelessly promoting my courses. Alright, so div, class of thumbnails, and the class of row. Close that div. And row. So within that, we're going to add a div with the class of call-6. So we're going to have, if this makes any sense to you, we have this 12-column grid here, and then 6 columns here, 6 columns here. So that's why we have the HTML with the class of call6. In that, let's add a div and give it the class of thumbnail. Okay, and now add the image. Images / item _ web hosting 101. That should be in your images folder. Alt web hosting 101. Okay. So you're going to add the caption, div class caption and caption. Add a level 3 heading, web hosting 101, and let's add a paragraph tag, and we will put some text in here, some descriptive text of what this course is about. Learn how to publish your own website live in no time with this web hosting crash course, plus set up your first WordPress site in 5 minutes. Then we'll add the buttons. It's a paragraph tag. Add an A tag in there. And we're going to put the link to the course, which is udemy.com/web-hosting-101. Class, button primary, and button small. That's a new class we haven't used yet. And target _ blank to open it in a new window or tab. Okay, and then close that A tag. Remember to do that. And then the text will be take course. And then add a space to add the next button, ahref. Let's add the same link. And target _ blank, class, button small, and button link. We're going to use a button link, and then close that A tag. And learn more will be the text. Save that. Let's check out what it looks like. There it is. Here's the thumbnail, the image, level 3 heading, and descriptive text, and then the buttons, the primary button and the button link. And they both should link to Udemy and open in a new tab. So let's add the next one. All you need to do is basically copy the column 6 HTML and paste. And we're just going to change a couple things. Let's actually change the first one just to be consistent with the website. This will be PSD to HTML5.jpg. The alt text will be PSD to HTML5 and CSS3. And then we'll change the H3 to PSD to HTML5 ampersand CSS3. And let's change the descriptive text. Learn how to take a PSD and turn it into a beautiful hand-coded HTML5 and present CSS3 website with this web design crash course. All right, and then we'll put the proper links in there, and that link would be udemy.com/build beautiful HTML5 website. We'll replace this one as well. Save that, and let's see what that looks like. There we go, PHP HTML5, CSS3, Web Hosting 101. There is one thing that we're missing, and that is the little labels up here with the price tags. So let's add those. Okay, in the first one, the first column 6, the PSD to HTML5, let's add right within the caption, just under the text here. Let's put a div with the class of label and label-success, and also add the class of price. We will style this further. Close that div, and then put a span tag in there. And we're going to put a glyph icon. Glyph icon dash tag. Close the span tag, and then put $39. But around the $, we're going to put a sup tag. I like that tag. This is also known as the superscript tag, and it will take whatever is within it, make it small, and bring it up a little bit. So when you see those $, where the $sign is small and a little bit higher up, that's what this will do. And Bootstrap has default style, typography styles that will make it achieve that style. So save that, and let's see what that looks like. So there's our price tag. It looks a little bit funny. Let's we're not actually done styling it yet, but let's change the position of it. I don't actually like it there. So take it out and cut it. And let's just put it under the image. Let's see what that looks like. Good enough, because we're going to do a little styling to make it look better anyway. So let's copy that label, paste it under the image on the next thumbnail, change the label success to label info, and then glyph icon tag is good, but then change the price to free and take the superscript tag out. Save, let's refresh. There it is, free and $39. So that's it for this lecture. In the next one, we're actually going to style these just a little bit to make them work a little bit better, and to make these labels, these price tags, show up in the top corner where they are in the final website. So I'll see you there.